Welcome back to Bodycam Originals. If you enjoy following real Bodycam cases like this one, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future cases. Officers at Orlando International Airport responded after a passenger allegedly bypassed TSA screening procedures while trying to make a flight. According to airport staff, the situation quickly escalated into a security breach, leading to a physical confrontation inside the checkpoint.
Tango 221, and we got one fighting in lane 13 TSA. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting. Relax, relax, relax. What's the problem? What do you need?
Ain't nobody gonna find me nowhere to sleep if I don't make my flight. Can you stop touching me?
Is he cleared? Secure. Stop resisting. Don't resist.
Stop touching me then.
Hey, call for more units. Listen, we don't want to hurt you. Have a seat on the ground.
No, y'all don't give a about me.
Okay, I do. I do.
Where I'ma sleep at? You gonna let me in your house? Hell no.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat on the ground.
I don't live here.
Let me sit down. Well, sit down. Sit down. What's wrong with y'all?
Thank you. Sit down. Sit down.
Let go of me. I don't feel comfortable with y'all.
Get a taser. Get it.
I'm trying to get out.
Keep what you got. Are you okay?
I got it.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay. We got what we got. Hold this. We need hands. We need hands. We need hands.
Two magazines. Make sure you check me.
Guys, I'm gonna have to let go whoever doesn't have hands. She's got them. Legs. Get legs.
Let go of your hands. Quit bracing your hands.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Listen. Feed it. That is arm up.
Feed this hand.
Guys, no, stop. Slow down. Slow down. We're good. We can roll his arm up that way. Hey.
Get the my leg. That's right.
We're gonna roll your leg. Hey.
Stop.
We're gonna roll your arm up. Stop.
Hey,
Listen.
one at a time, talk.
We're going to roll your arm up. You're going to put your hand behind your back. If you keep resisting, you run the risk of getting hurt. Do you understand?
Do you understand? I just said I.
Roll him back.
Damn.
Got two. I got one. Okay, roll him over just a little bit. Here, pin that arm. I'm gonna come to the other side.
Hold up, bro.
Hey, Alex.
I got.
What's wrong with you? Pin that hand.
You.
Logan, I'm coming around you.
All right. But stop, bro. This shit hurt.
Okay. Yeah.
You got it. Can they hold up traffic?
I got this arm. Let's go. There we go. Now cuff.
We're still fighting there. We got one security.
Let's roll him.
Make sure he's got no
weapons. Good job.
Got a glove.
10-4-186,
Bro, let go of me. What the fuck am I doing?
You're not in charge here.
You ain't in
You wanted to act up. This is what happened.
Let me tell y'all this shit trying to punch a bitch.
You wanted to act up. This is what you did.
Why the hell we paying for shit we ain't got to pay for? Y'all need to be arresting the government.
Do you have this?
Yes.
Hold that.
You're good.
What the hell you got gloves?
You're good.
Can you search him?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Y'all ain't doing shit for the community for real. Y'all are wasting air. Ain't doing shit for the environment.
Flip him.
Here. Here we go.
Where did the magazines come from?
They grab wallet.
Yeah.
They just come out. But it's clear ain't nothing on me. Y'all knew that when y'all grabbed me. What y'all searching for?
Hey, we're gonna roll you over and we're gonna sit you up.
Who needs that money?
There you go. Sit him up. Sit him up.
All right, let's start taking him out.
Which way do you want to go?
Let's take him off this car first.
The hell it is?
Got his slipper. Where's his other slipper?
My slipper.
Just behave yourself and walk.
Listen to yourself when you talk.
I need a witness. Like, how did this all start? You know?
I think it's very quick, man. I'll get you people right now.
So what happened is he came blowing through the TSA. I was on X-ray, and then Rick Rod was over here, and the guy that was on the Mac, Rick was like, no, he has to go back,
Right.
And then Rick came over onto this side, and then the guy kept pushing through, and then Rick just kind of did this and held him, and that's when I was hollering, OPD,
Okay.
and male supervisor.
So can I get statements from you? Can I get statements from you and Rick, please? Yeah.
Sir, I think there was the lead that was running the lane who actually shoved and pushed him. It was Rick. I think one of your co-workers already like.
Okay. Can I get statements from her and from Rick? Yeah.
Take him in there. We'll have a car brought around.
Copy.
Got it.
We'll figure this out. Take him around to the straight down to the left. Down the hallway to the right.
I've been telling y'all, yeah, say the same shit to y'all over and over. You ain't making no change for like.
I gave somebody a
191, let me know when you have the car coming around. Bring it to third floor by the office. Right here, just put him on the wall. Just put him in the office now. Let him sit down for a second.
Yeah, let's search him one more time.
Yep. No, I don't have anything, bro. Let me sit down.
Dude.
I'm some weak ass shit.
Hey, it's over.
It's not.
over.
You gotta get home. Yeah, I know I missed that flight. I ain't get on that shit. I ain't got no way to you know about me. Yeah, well, let me.
Do you have his ID? Yes, sir. Can we run him real quick? What's your first name, sir?
It's on my ID, sir.
I know it's there. I'm just trying to treat you with respect. I'd appreciate the same back from you, sir. I'm just trying to figure out what I came late, so I'm trying to figure out what happened.
It almost looked like a.
That's all right. Talk to me. What happened today with you?
I can almost miss my flight. I ain't got nowhere to go.
So what happened? What caused all this
I'm
craziness?
trying to get to the front so I can make it to my
So
flight.
this was all about you just trying to get to the front of the line?
Yes, it is.
So talk to me. What happened?
They act like they don't want to let me in.
Who is they? The TSA
band.
guys?
I don't know. I gotta
Okay.
get home.
So this all happened because you tried to get to the front of the line?
Yes.
Okay. So did you hit somebody?
No, I didn't. I didn't harm anybody. They grabbed me.
You gentlemen good? We're good.
Okay.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
we're good.
Rifles and stuff.
Thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
No, appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Did you have any other property that we need to be aware of?
I got your wallet, and I got your cell phone. Any book bags, any fanny packs, anything like that?
Okay. Where were you trying to head off to today?
I go to Memphis.
Memphis? Are you out on bond, probation, anything like that? Have you ever been arrested for anything? Okay, good stuff. All of this for trying to get there any faster? Was your plane going to be, were you going to miss the plane or something?
Yes, I can miss my.
What time was your flight?
It's on my phone. It's almost 7 o'clock.
It is almost 7 o'clock.
Exactly.
It is almost 7.
Long as I'm right,
But for you to act like this and have to go put us through all of this, what was that over? What, for
What's
nothing?
gonna happen? If I didn't do that, y'all gonna walk off, go somewhere, and be stranded here, and live here.
No, nobody was trying to strand you here, sir. That was
Like,
not
when
our
I told
intention.
him I need to get to the front, it made it seem like he wasn't gonna let me through.
Did you not talk to like a supervisor or something like that? Let them know?
He's a person that's standing right there, bro.
Okay. All right, I'm asking you. I wasn't there.
He didn't, nah.
I'm asking you. I wasn't there. I was trying to work this out so it didn't get to this level. Let me know what you got as far as this history goes and get him out of here.
Sammy?
Sir, how are you?
Good, man.
Apparently this all started over, he's saying that he tried to make a flight and that I guess he got into he tried to get to the front of the line. He tried to let them know he was trying to take a flight out, and I guess he got into an argument with one of the TSA. Is that, am I understanding that correctly?
I don't know what he is, but yeah.
Okay, but one of the workers you had an argument with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what they have the cameras there. They'll pull the cameras as far as it goes. They were saying that they were actually. Were you guys actually fighting?
I ain't fighting.
Something was going on with him in TSA when I first came. They were coming back and forth.
Like
There was some sort of confrontation.
Yeah. When I got there, he was already on the ground, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't know if he was bypassing security, or at that point they were saying he didn't go through security, and he was trying to force his way through.
Okay. But he says he has a ticket on his phone.
I got my ticket in my hand.
Okay. All right. So the whole thing was that you were just trying to get up there to make your flight, and just got it, and then it escalated from there.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you understand my point is you got all these officers there trying to get you to cooperate with them, and you're acting all.
Grabbing me hard. I'm sitting down. I'm calm like, all right, but you ain't gotta start touching. He touched me.
Who is he?
The dude, the first dude in the blue shirt.
The blue shirt?
That's who first started pushing on me. Like, why you don't do that? I don't care who you is, but don't start putting your hands on me.
Okay.
Just my 2 cents. The reason why they do that.
I'm saying he won't want me pushing on him, right?
Of course not.
You don't push on me.
We can't have anybody skip lines. It's a security issue.
He told them not to let me through. I mean, I ain't, look, I made it to the security. I was finna go through security. He told them not to let me through. Now it's, I can't let you through. Nah, bro, I'm not finna miss my flight for y'all. When nobody gonna offer a home for me to sleep at.
So we're gonna escort him out in a minute.
What do we got?
Okay. We're just waiting to see if he's got any warrant or anything. Okay. Where's he at? Ladies, gentlemen, Sergeant Stites, how you guys doing? So who actually had the issue with him? All right, you probably said this already before, but help me understand exactly what happened.
So I'm working the queue out front.
Okay.
He comes by and he's like, he just tried to walk through. I said, sir, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line. He goes, I'm not.
Did he go around the screening area? That's what you're saying?
No. First, he came through the middle.
Okay.
Of the 2 queues.
He came up the middle of the 2 queues while everybody was scanning on each side. Okay, I'm with you.
So I told him, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line.
Okay.
He's like, fuck that. I'm not gonna miss my flight. Okay. So then I watched him, and he bypassed everybody. He's just going across right to the front. And I went up to say, yo, you can't do that. He said, you ain't gonna pay for me to stay, whatever.
Okay.
I'm not missing my flight. And then I was like, you can't do that. So when he got to TDC, I told my guy, I said, don't scan him, don't do anything. And that's when I called for OPD and soup.
Okay.
And he was like, and he just walked by.
Now, when you say he walked by, you mean like he was trying to make his way to the tram? Or was he going back the other way?
He was walking by the first part of the checkpoint.
Okay.
Where they check your ticket.
Where they check your ticket.
So he walked by there, and he kept going. I said, yo, you can't do that. That's why I called him second time for OPD and supervisor.
Heading towards the metal detector.
Right. He was heading towards the MAG and the AIT.
Okay.
So then, I don't know how the side gate got open.
I opened it for an officer that was coming through, and then he tried to come through, and I don't let him through, so I tried to close on it, and he pushed it, and he forced his way through.
Did he actually pass to go through?
He actually passed and went through, so that's what I call breach. That's when I call it.
And then I jumped in and held him back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what his intent was.
When you said he passed through, that's where he was with the metal detector at that point, right in that area?
The side door.
The side door, which is the ADA gate.
Okay.
So you had the MAG, the side door, and then
So how did he get back to where the metal detectors were? Where we actually
came
back?
through the side.
Because he came through the side.
He pushed his way in, and
Okay.
that's why I held him from going any further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he strike you? Were you hit?
No.
Okay.
No.
Did you guys strike him?
No.
Okay.
I just pushed him.
You just pushed him back?
Just held him there. That was it.
Okay. And what was he doing at that point?
Push him back.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to understand the whole thing, how it all went, because like I said, I got there late. So we're going to pull the cameras and all that
So
other
then
stuff.
everybody, that's when all the
OPDs came and got him,
And then
right?
they started fighting with them.
But he didn't strike you or hit you at this point?
No.
He just tried to force his way through to make his flight. And that's pretty much what he told me in there. He said, there's other ways of doing this than what I explained to him. I said, you could have talked to the supervisor and let him know, hey, my flight is at. And usually you guys are pretty good about trying to get those guys through. So I don't know why he went the levels he did, but yeah, or rebook, but usually you guys are pretty good about taking care of, the people. So as long as you're not injured, that's it. Just write down what you told us in there, that he forced his way through. You guys prevented him
Like I
from
said,
going
I
through.
don't remember how that side door opened. I guess he opened it. And that's when he went in, and that's when I stopped him
Okay.
and held him back.
The side door is the one that bypasses that.
Right.
Yeah.
But he passed a bunch of other passengers that were actually getting screening, correct?
Yeah.
No,
Where he didn't get
passed
screened at
everybody
any
waiting.
point at this point,
He was
right?
He passed everybody waiting in line, and
Correct.
then whoever.
And that's what I'm trying to get at. He didn't get screened himself at that point, correct?
Not at all.
Okay. All right,
He
gentlemen.
was-
Just make sure you guys write all of that out for me, okay? You guys got all of that?
So.
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
I'm sorry?
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
No, you're under arrest.
Exactly. Get the home, cuz now. Like I said, I gotta get home.
All right, man.
Who's Coast Guard?
We'll worry about the cuffs in a second. Get this out. Has no wheels. Come on, Tyler.
You
Tyler.
might as well carry me. I don't care how they say.
Tyler, you're gonna do that. You're gonna catch another. Hold
I don't
on.
give a cuz. I need to go home. Put the camera on, cuz.
It's
Camera's on.
Cuz.
Tyler, listen to me. You're a grown man.
And I am.
You acted like a grown man when me and you spoke.
I don't care. I don't care, cuz. Like I said, I need to get home. I ain't worried about nothing else. Y'all made the issue. If y'all would have let me through, I would have been on the plane.
How old are you?
So, I'm 20.
All right, all right.
The longer we take, the longer it'll take for you to get out.
I don't care. I'm still gonna get home. You wanna sleep at night? I'm gonna sleep in no jail. Fuck.
You're under arrest.
You
If you
under
do not
arrest.
walk, you continue with the resistance.
Create a whole new system. We all should just die and God should redo this
We'll
shit.
take them. Just be in front of us with the door.
Give me your bag. Give me your stuff. Put your arms under.
Yep.
and
I might as well carry me out there like a tombstone. Don't care no more. I'm not resisting arrest no more.
Yes, you are. You're still
No, I'm
resisting.
not. I don't care.
By not walking.
Let's go. I don't care, cuz. Y'all better be strong in hell, yes. I'm gonna act like a little ass child, like y'all wanna lock me up or some shit. Yes, it is. I'm a prisoner. That's what I don't get no.
It hurts. You don't walk.
Why?
All right. So it still doesn't hurt. You can walk at any moment.
Y'all like groups.
No, you're acting immature.
No, y'all acting like punk ass people. And I'm just a bad person. I wanna get home.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
It is hurt.
Then walk like a human being.
I don't want to walk with y'all arm under my shit like that. That shit hurt already.
Yes. Because you're
Exactly.
your whole body weight.
Anyway, I can't. This ain't how adults walk. I want to go.
Put them under the hood. Search them.
I don't have nothing. I'm telling y'all. Y'all searching me now. Bro, stop. This shit hurt my arm. No, that's crazy. Bro, another reason they got an attitude with y'all.
The incident ended with the passenger being taken into custody after officers and TSA personnel worked to regain control of the checkpoint. According to authorities, he was later charged with disorderly conduct and resisting an officer without violence. Let us know what you think about the encounter in the comments. If you enjoy following real Bodycam cases like this one, be sure to subscribe to Bodycam Originals so you don't miss future cases.